Suhas, I was asking you about how to write y of n equation. Can
Yes,
we
ma'am.
do it? Y of n is equal
Yes,
to,
ma'am.
you can hear me, Suhas?
Yes, ma'am.
Or Ambika, make it quick.
Yes, ma'am.
Ambika,
Yes, ma'am.
am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Why?
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you people hear me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Bhavana Shri, I am audible. Then Ambika, you are not replying. Ambika is joined or not?
Ma'am, can you hear me, ma'am?
At least if you don't know, you tell me. I will only give the solution.
Ma'am, she's replying, ma'am.
See, I want to write output y of n in terms of equation, how it is. Hello? Hello, I think my side it is a problem. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, ma. I have not connected my headset only. Sorry. Okay, fine. Can we write the answer? Y of n is equal to, is it 1? Is the amplitude is 1 at n is equal to -1 and -2? You see here, you see the diagram? The amplitude is 1
Yes, ma'am.
at n is equal to -1 and -2. Similarly, can you continue it? Y of n at n is equal to -4 and -5. What is the amplitude? -4 and -5.
Minus one.
-1.
-1. Very good. And at all other places, the value is 0. How to write that? You can write like this. At n is equal to -3. At n is equal to -3. And right hand side, at n is equal to, n is greater than -1. N is greater than -1. And the left hand side, n is less than -5. Okay, like that. So the value is 0. So in this way, we can just write the final answer. So once you get the answer, you write in both the ways. One is pictorial way and other one is equation way. So that will be very good always. The next thing is precedence rule for time shifting and time scaling. Precedence rule. Precedence rule is nothing but, see which rule we can use it first. If both are there, if both are there, which rule we can use? Suppose in the equation both will be present, time shifting also will be present, time scaling also will be present. At that time, which rule I have to use it first? Okay, so you no need to write any theory under this topic. You need to know only the concept. That concept you can write down in your notebook, but give the title as precedence rule for time shifting and time scaling. That's it. Give the title. So they may ask you to write a short note in the exam, write about the precedence rule of time shifting and time scaling. So what you should write is, you can write, you can see the screen. Time shifting is always performed first, which should be followed by time scaling. Please write down. Everyone should write down this. This is very important property. If I have two properties given in the question, which property I have to use it first? So between time shifting and time scaling, please see here, time shifting should be performed first. Then after that, I can do the time scaling. So you write only these 2 points so that we will solve the problem. Time shifting should be performed first, followed by the, which is followed by the time scaling. So now, so we will solve a beautiful problem based on the above property which we have discussed. So you just copy the question which is visible in the screen. Consider the rectangular pulse. You know what is the meaning of pulse? Rectangular pulse of unit amplitude and duration of 2 time units. That means this is one time unit and this is another time unit. Okay. You don't need to worry about the 2 time units, etc., because diagram is given. Our work is to find out only the output y of t. So y of t is now x of 2t plus 3. You have to find y of t is equal to x of 2t plus 3. Okay, so let me. Is the Microsoft Word is visible in the screen?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
yes, okay, okay. So let me show you the solution in a new page so that you will feel easy to understand. So now I have a diagram like this. So -1, -1 and +1. The amplitude is 1. This is my x of t. So can anybody tell me, I forgot the y
Ma'am,
of
it's a
t.
PDF only, ma'am.
It is PDF only? Okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now let me, is it now the white screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now I have x of t. X of t I have between -1 and +1. Can anybody tell me what is y of t as per the question? I forgot the expression y of t. What I'm supposed to find? Y of t is equal to x of
2t plus 3.
okay 2t plus 3. 2t plus 3. So can you see in this 2t plus 3 two properties are present? See, hiding 3, if I write, it becomes x of 2t. X of 2t comes under time scaling. Hiding 2 in t, if I write, then it is x of t plus 3. This says that it is shifting. So in this, both the properties are present, 2t and plus 3. Time shifting as well as time scaling is present. If both the properties are there, what the precedent rule says, which I have to perform first?
Time shift.
Shifting. Okay, shifting. So shall we draw the diagram now? So y-axis you should mark properly. I am doing x of 2t. Sorry, I'm doing shifting. Shifting means it is t plus 3. You forget about the scaling factor, time scaling factor. You forget about it. I am doing only shifting operation. So plus 3. That means where I have to shift. I have to shift it towards which side?
Left side.
Left side. So let me write the labelings first. -1, -2, -3. So I will write more numbers because I have to shift 3 times. So now I will consider the extreme left hand side from the main question. Extreme left hand side is at -1. That should be 3 times shifted towards the left. Okay. So -1 is initially moved to -2, 1 shift, then -3, 2 shift, then -4, 3 shift. So can I then complete the diagram now? So from -4 to till which number my amplitude will be present? Till
-2.
-2. Very good. Till -2. So successfully I have done the shifting operation. So my next work is I have to perform the final output. So my final output I can write it as, my final output is y of t is equal to x of 2t plus 3. You know the meaning of scaling. If 2 is multiplied, if you can see the notes, you can tell me, or directly also you can tell me. What is the operation we have to perform? We have to divide the diagram of x of t plus 3 timings, that n values by 2. Because here t is multiplied with 2. You have to divide by 2. You have to divide by 2. So if you divide by 2, my left hand side edge is at now -2. So my left hand side edge is at now -2. So I will rewrite my scaling in the new diagram, -2 and -1. So my left hand side -4 by 2 is -2. So my left hand side edge is at now -2. And then the right hand side is -2 by 2 is -1. See here. So this is my final answer. See, amplitude we are not doing anything because we are not performing any operation on the dependent variable called amplitude. We are performing operation only on the independent variable called time. That's why the amplitude is same as per the given question. Amplitude, if it is 1 here, here also it is 1, here also it is 1. Have you all understood how to get the answer y of t is equal to x of 2t plus 3?
Yes, ma'am.
So I think you understood the rule. Which rule?
Second one, can you explain again, ma'am?
Second one, na?
Yes, ma'am.
You understood the precedence rule, right? Precedence rule. In the previous slide, I have shown you. If we have two properties together in the equation, see, I have here time scaling. 2t means scaling. And I have plus 3 means shifting. Both the properties are present. If both the properties are present, I have to apply the first property. Which property? Shifting property I have to apply always. First shift, then followed by scaling. So I think if you know this, you can do it easily. So I have to perform shifting. When we perform shifting, I should forget about the time scaling number. 2t, I should forget it. I should think it as t only. T, because I'm not solving scaling now. I'm solving only shifting. So concentrate only shifting. So you should now solve x of t plus 3. So I have x of t in the question. I want x of t plus 3. Plus 3 means I have to move 3 times towards the left hand side. 3 times towards the left hand side. So now listen here. So first step is you have to mark the n values here. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 like that. Now listen. In the original diagram of x of t, the edge is at -1. So that -1 originally was shifted to -2 position. That is one shift. I don't want one shift. I want 3 shift. So keep doing the shifting until you get 3 shift. So this is second shift and this is third shift. Now you can see this edge is seated properly at -4. Okay. Similarly, if you want to shift this 1 also, you can shift it like that, or you know the gap between -1 and +1 is only 2 time units. So you maintain 2 time units and draw the right hand side edge. So somebody was asking the doubt here. Is it clear? The second one.
Yes, ma'am.
And the third one, I think you do not have any doubt. Scaling means if it is 2t, it should be divided by 2. If it is t by 2, it should be multiplied by 2. So here 2 is multiplied with t. That is nothing but you will get the compressed version of the output. Compressed version. It's a compression. Okay. See, if you are not thorough with this problem, definitely the other problems you will not understand. And some student asked in the chat box, reflection property is there, what to do, madam? Very beautiful question. You don't worry, we will solve hundreds of problems in different concepts, -t, plus t. So right now I'm going to do that only. Okay. So we will solve it. No need to worry. So now I'm coming back to my PDF. So you can see the screen. Hello. Is the PDF is visible now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, can we do it for the discrete time signal? Please write down the question, everyone. A discrete time signal x of n is given by. Discrete time signal x of n is given by. Complete the question. Now we are doing it for the discrete time signal. The difference between previous question and this question is that was continuous time signal. This is discrete time signal. I think you can complete this problem by yourself. I no need to guide you. So can we plot x of n? So let me try x of n plot in the screen. X of n. X of n is like this.
Screen is not shared.
Screen share agilva?
ಇಲ್ಲ ma'am.
Can't
It's
you?
shared, ma'am.
Okay, let me do it again. ಇವಾಗ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಇವಾಗಲೂ ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ.
ಏನಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ? ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ
Yes, ma'am.
ನಿನಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ನಿನಗೆ? Somebody No, but some are
ವರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ma'am.
PDF ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ma'am.
PDF
ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ.
PDF
Now,
ಬೇಕು. I think Suhas, now can you see the screen?
Ma'am, I can see word inside word, ma'am.
Word
He might having
inside.
network issues.
I think network issue ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆಪ್ಪ. ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ ಹೇಳಿ?
PDF screen, ma'am.
PDF ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್. ಸುಹಾಸ್ ನಾನು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀನು ಬರ್ಕೋ, ನೀನು ಕಾಣಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
Yes, ma'am.
X of n is equal to 1. Okay, at n is equal to 1 comma 2. X of n is equal to 1 at n is equal to 1 comma 2. X of n is equal to minus 1 at n is equal to minus 1 comma minus 2. And at n is equal to 0 and other values of n, the value is 0. So main question ಏನಂದ್ರೆ y of n we need to find, which is equal to x of 2n plus 3. So write down in your book, we need to find x of 2n plus 3. 2n plus 3 is in the bracket. So now I am drawing the diagram for x of n in the screen. So I think everyone can see it is 1, 2. I have written the scale n values minus 1, minus 2. So let me draw the samples. At 1 and 2, my amplitude is 1. So at 1 and 2, the amplitude is 1. And at minus 1 and minus 2, the amplitude is minus 1. So this is very easy for you now. I hope everyone would have completed. At n is equal to 0, you should represent the sample by just bubble. There is no amplitude for that. So here also, if you see in the question, do we have two properties in this? One is scaling, other one is shifting. So can we try the precedence rule? The precedence rule, what it says, I have to apply shifting first. So shifting means my y-axis, what I should write? I should write x of n plus 3. I am first doing x of n plus 3 operation. X of n plus 3, that means minus 3 times I have to shift it towards the left hand side. So let me write the n values here. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So can you tell me the extreme left hand side is at now minus 2 in original question? Where it will be now shifted? Till which value?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Okay, good. Minus 5. So minus 5, minus 4. Then at 3 it is 0. Minus 3 it is 0. And minus 2 it is 1. And minus 1 it is 1. I think you can see in the screen. I have taken yellow color. If it is not visible, again I will repeat it. So I think it is now clear. My final diagram I have to draw now. My final diagram is very simple. 2n plus 3. 2n, 2 is multiplied with n. That means I have to divide the x of n plus 3 by 2. So keep dividing everything by 2. Minus 5 by 2, minus 4 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 2 by 2, minus 1 by 2. Okay. I said in the discrete time signal, the fraction will not be present. So can anybody tell me minus 5 by 2, will it be present in the final diagram?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now what value will be present? Tell me. Minus?
Minus 2 and minus 1.
Yes. At n is equal to minus 2, I have to write the amplitude. Amplitude is minus 1. Okay. Good. And at minus 3 by 2, definitely that also will not be present. That is also now compressed. Okay. So now the next value is at n is equal to minus 1. At n is equal to minus 1, the amplitude is 1. And at n is equal to minus 1 by 2 also, it will not be present. So now I have to complete the diagram like this. I have to complete it with the right hand side also. Right hand side is plus n and my y-axis is x of 2n plus 3. I have only 2 samples at the left hand side. I hope this diagram is clear and the answer is clear. So let me show my answer in the PDF. So till now I have drawn and I have shown you the answers. So you can see in my final screen. See, like this the diagram is. With this I will stop today's class. Okay. See, I said I can solve hundreds of problems, 200s of problem in first module. First module takes 1 month to complete. The reason is like this. We will solve combinational problems. We will solve almost all types of combinations, such that in exam, any question if you get, you can easily solve it. You can imagine it and you can easily solve it. So, and as per your theory, you have, as per the syllabus, you have one more theory part, third half of the first module, that is the signals, exponential signal. So we have to discuss about the signals, different types of signals, and we have to write the related expressions, and we should know how to plot it, and we should know how to apply the rules. So once we discuss that, then I will be solving number of problems in some number of classes. With that, this first module is completed. I hope you understood the flow of the first module in signals and systems. So we discussed theory part and we used the theory part concept in the problem. So like that, we have one theory part left. So once we do that, so we will be solving completely the problems. So don't miss the class, attend the class regularly, okay? Because if you miss one class also, you cannot cope up with the concepts. Each and every class is interrelated. And I'm taking the attendance now. I think the attendance, you can see now the Excel sheet. See, I also repeat in everyday class, the attendance we will be sending it to the university. Even HOD also today he has told. So don't take lightly your attendance. The case is not like earlier semester. Now it is completely different. University is closely monitoring us. Okay. They want all the data to be submitted. So now I'll just take the attendance. Abhishek, Ambika.
Present, ma'am.
See, I have taken the attendance of online interaction also. So, Chirudeepesh, Bhavana,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya,
Present, ma'am.
Christopher,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Christopher, what is wrong with you, Christopher?
Ma'am, I'm sorry for that, but I was speaking, ma'am. You were not able to hear. I could hear you, ma'am.
You
Was
could,
speaking.
but what about others? You could hear Christopher's reply. Others, can anybody? I could not hear him.
I was speaking, ma'am, and I was able to see you, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. See, why I called you is you have attended, this is your second class, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Why, man? Why you are attending? Why you have missed a lot many classes? Why? What is the reason? Where are you now? Are you in Bangalore? Which is your hometown?
Ma'am, be there.
Be there. What about other subjects? Other subjects are you attending?
Yes, ma'am. For the 2 days, I did not attend any of the classes, ma'am.
But none of the faculties asked you. See, I am your class teacher. Okay, myself and Yoganandini ma'am both are class teachers. So we are responsible for your attendance, everything. We have to report to the HOD about your status. If attendance is, if you are not meeting the attendance status, then definitely we will not
Ma'am,
allow.
from now I will make sure that I will not miss any of the classes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. But Christopher, before taking class for you people, right? I know about each and every individual in your class. And I got good feedback about you from your previous teachers. But I'm not feeling so. But don't repeat it, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Manikanta,
Present, ma'am.
Danush, Danush Gangatkar, Gautam, Gonukuntla Prasad.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is this? Hey, make it fast. Who is talking to me now? Danush Nayaka.
Ma'am, Dhanush Nayak, ma'am.
When I called you, where were you?
Ma'am, I couldn't hear you, ma'am. I didn't hear you calling my name. The last time I heard you, you were calling Gautam's name, so I just unmuted.
Okay, leave. Then Gangatkar, Danush Gangatkar, Gautam, Gonukuntla Prasad, Gautam R,
Present, ma'am.
Harshita,
Present, ma'am.
Samarasimha Reddy. Kavyashri.
Present, ma'am.
Harish. Lakshmi. Manu. Is Lakshmi absent? Lakshmi. Okay. Manu is absent. Mubarak.
Present, madam.
Okay. Pranav.
Present, ma'am.
Prithvi.
Present, ma'am.
Deena.
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh.
Present, ma'am.
Rakesh. See, yesterday
Yes,
I had,
ma'am.
yesterday I had sent a message, right, about the meeting, right, the HOD's meeting.
Yes, ma'am.
See, you are talking with teachers, you are replying to teachers. You should have that in sense, right? You are replying, okay. Are you chatting with your friends? See, principal is there in the group, HOD is there in the group. What all everyone thinks. I can take it lightly, okay, but it will be a bad impression to you people. What is the
Sorry,
problem
ma'am.
in telling sir, madam? I don't know. See, still you people are kids only for us. You can call madam, sir,
Okay.
nothing will happen to you. Not to you, I am telling to everyone, okay? I am not telling you particularly. In general, you people should know how to behave with the respectable teachers. Hmm? Okay, no problem. Sai?
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay. Sai is absent. Sanjay?
Present, ma'am.
Sharon?
Present, ma'am.
Shruti?
Present, ma'am.
Suhas?
Present, ma'am.
Tejashwini?
Present.
Mithun? Nagarjuna?
Present, ma'am.
Nagarjuna is present, right? Okay.
Present, ma'am.
Mithun or Nagarjuna?
Nagarjuna, ma'am.
Okay. Anu? Arati? Vinay? Neville? Sumit?
Present, ma'am.
Sumit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sunil? Mahesh Babu? Okay. So thank you. So tomorrow we will continue the problems and the theory part left out in the first module. So please practice the problem. If you have not understood during the class, practice it. See, and I stopped uploading the videos in the YouTube. You know why? Because the number of views are very, very less. So I did not do it. If it is required, I will do it. Otherwise, I will not do it. So you people give the feedback. You want the everydays because I'm doing recording, right? If you want,